In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Facebook app, what to tap, and how to enter your details so you can check out smoothly when buying on Marketplace. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, look for the menu icon with three horizontal lines. On many devices, it's at the upper right. On some, it may appear at the bottom right. Tap that menu to open your account options. Once the menu is open, scroll down the list until you see the section labeled Settings and Privacy, then tap it to expand the options. Next, tap Settings to enter your account's main settings area. This is where Facebook keeps controls for your account, privacy, and payments. In Settings, scroll further until you find Ads Payments. Even though this label mentions ads, Facebook often groups payment tools here, and in many regions, these methods can be used for marketplace checkout as well. Tap Ads Payments to open your billing and payment area. On the payments screen, look for the option to Add Payment Method and tap it. You'll be guided through adding a card or another supported payment option depending on your region. Before you continue, it's a good idea to have your card details handy and make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file. Mismatches are a common reason payments fail later. Enter your details carefully. If you're adding a card, type the card number, expiration date, and security code, and confirm the billing name and address exactly as they appear on your statement. If an alternative payment option is available and you choose it, follow the on-screen prompts to connect that account securely. Facebook may run a quick verification or a temporary authorization to confirm the method is valid. This is normal and usually disappears soon after. After typing in your details, tap Next and follow the prompts until the process completes. Continue tapping Next as instructed by the app, reviewing any confirmation screens along the way. You may be asked to approve the addition with a code from your bank or your device's security if required. When you see a success message or your new payment method listed, you're all set. From here, your saved method will be available during Marketplace checkout where supported. If you ever need to update or remove it, return to the same Ads Payments area in Settings. And that's it. Your payment method is added and ready to use on Facebook Marketplace.